Hello, good morning. My name is Filip Granek. I'm the founder and the CEO of XTPL. It is my great pleasure to address you at the TechBleak event and present you our company, our technology, and especially our focus on high-resolution 3D printed conductive features in single micron scale. During my live presentation earlier today, there was a system crash of the TechBleak platform, so I was asked by the organizers to record my talk again, my presentation again, and make it available to you. So here it goes. Yeah. During the next less than 20 minutes, I want to briefly introduce you to XTPL, who we are. I want to talk to you about our offering in terms of special inks that we developed and that we offer to our customers. I want to introduce you our, excuse me, our micro dispensing technology. And finally, I want to introduce the capabilities of our micro dispensing technology to you. This is us. This is a 30+ team of XTPL, excellent group of people that I'm really privileged to work with. We are headquartered in Wrocław in Poland. We are a publicly traded company on the Warsaw Stock Exchange with both investors in Poland and outside of Poland that are supporting our development. And we are working on both chemical side of things, working on the chemistry of the inks that enable high precision printing, but also the hardware and software part of things where we develop our printing engine that can be used for actual high resolution printing. In our offering, we are focused on 3 product lines currently that we have just introduced to the market. First of all, I want to talk shortly about the highly concentrated nano inks, which are specially designed to enable high resolution printing with various approaches, with various technologies for printing. The focus here is to really enable anti-clogging behavior of our inks that enable working with smaller nozzles, finer, enable printing finer features without the compromise of electrical conductivity. Currently, these inks are focused, are based on silver as a metal, but we are also working on copper and gold, which are in our roadmap. The second line of business is the middle part of the picture. This is our standalone R&D and prototyping system that we call a Delta printing system. This is a system which has our printing engine inside and enables fine feature printings and advanced R&D and prototyping activities with this standalone approach. And the first of our systems that we are just rolling out is already installed in a cleanroom facility of the Institute for Large Area Microelectronics at the University of Stuttgart. And we're happy about the next systems that will be delivered later this year to some of our partners. And finally, the third line of business on the left side of your screen, this is our printing engine. We call it Epsilon printing module that is designed for integration with third-party systems, with bigger machines for both industrial and also prototyping applications. And we're also actually targeting some of the local high precision use cases in the industries of flat panel display, packaging, and printed circuit boards. This is not about ultimately high throughput solution. This is really about local high value solutions that can be brought to the table with Epsilon. So let me start introducing our offering with our inks. And our inks are, I mean, you know that there are great inks out there available to you from multiple companies, and we're trying to show our uniqueness in terms of ink offering by focusing on the ability to print finer and finer features with a higher and higher resolution, but also without the issue of clogging of the nozzles, and at the same time achieving very good conductivity. So if you're working with any of these printing methods that we show on the slide, and you're pushing your designs to finer and finer features, I think you'll be interested in looking into our ink offering. And more information about our ink offering can be found on our website.